12 a.m. 12 a.m. There's the one. There's the one on Mountwood and the one on Rojas. What else is there?
Are you getting kind of tired of commentating too, dude?
Chick-fil-A. I'm good right now. Chick-fil-A closes at 10. If you want to go, you can go, bro. I got this.
I ain't got nothing better to do, bro.
Anybody you can't double elimination for the Newport Gambit. If you want to lose, you'll get more cards so you get more money.
Is he doing this right now?
No, it's only winners. It's only elimination.
Is it almost done?
No.
What's the bracket for it? Johnstown?
Yeah.
Church's Chicken.
I got Church's Chicken for free.
You don't like Church's Chicken?
Their biscuits, though. Wait, what is this? Ashikabi versus Akko already?
Yeah, Ashikabi Akko. You want the side bit?
Nah, dude. Not
Alright.
we already know who the clear winner is.
Bro, we have to side bet brands, bro.
Alright, what side big round?
Let's see.
What the heck was that? You saw that he just rolled a sniper
Yeah.
and Nikita him?
Have you seen the clips of Low Tier God on Snake?
Oh.
Like, it's like every time he tries to like edge guard someone, like he does it so often too. He'll like run off ledge and Nikita and just die. It's so funny because he rages every time.
That move is so garbage, man! Who designed this garbage game? Stupid little kids playing it?
Yeah, it's
This is
exactly
your
what it
mom.
sounds like, bro. Okay.
Okay, another one?
Interesting though. I didn't even notice that he was already down a stock.
I'm telling you.
Talking about low tier gun. How minus is that dash attack? You want?
Snake? It's sort of minus, it's like it crosses you up. And if your character's not fast enough to punish it, you can't really do much.
Because like you have to turn around and then do your shit, right?
Yeah, it's rough. It's rough. It's a rough move sometimes. I mean, it can be bad or good.
What the fuck?
I've never seen
I
Bring
didn't
Boys
know.
dash attack.
Because it sucks, huh? Fucking Roy's dash attack. Oh.
He just brought it back, dude. Ashikabi has been really good with these Nikitas off stage. He literally learned how to do that and he's winning the Arcadian. These Nikitas are winning him everything.
I know, bro. Fucking Psycho, Akko.
And who else did he play? We watched another stream. Another match.
It was Ashikabi.
Was it...
King Leo, right?
No, I don't think it was King. That was Sweet Tea, I think. Was it Sweet
Oh
Tea?
yeah, Sweet Tea. I thought it was
Like, those Nikitas won in the set.
I don't know, bro. He's trying to do some like movement tech, but it's just making him land on him. Like letting himself be pressured by grenades. I mean, he's in a considerable lead right now, so. Oh shit. Never mind.
Bro, what's going on right Tag, this is not the timeline we wish for, bro.
Nah, bro. He's at 65. He's got this, bro. Gotta pick when to go in.
Doesn't jump.
Ah, did you want a ledge jump or what was that?
That grenade saved him.
Oh, okay.
No, that's not it.
Nah.
It's fake.
The BM. Oh shit.
Back throw. Oh. Nikita? Maybe hit Nikita, it deactivates the hitbox. Alright, I'll throw another.
Oh, okay. Nice. Wait.
No,
what the
that's not gonna
fuck?
kill. Yo, Roy can't kill.
Yo, what the fuck is this, bro?
What's going
This
on?
kid, bro, can't kill, bro.
Yeah.
I'm playing.
Like little hitboxes.
Alco's mad.
Oh, damn. Unfortunate.
Oh
I was about to say Alco's mad, but nah.
no.
Look at this shit.
Boom. Oh, no, bro, no. Sorry, guys, no.
Damn. I may be stupid, Yeah.
Fermit's waiting or something, bro. I know he's cooking something up in the lab to say to insult Akko.
They made the character icons bigger. I swear to God.
Oh, he's staying boy.
We don't even need it.
What I tell you, bro? If you leave Ashikabi by himself, he'll kill himself one way. I smacked, yeah.
Oh no.
Yes, man.
I guess my bingo card's about to be filled, bro.
Why?
Okay, an out of city player wins the Arcadian. This is winners finals, bro. I just realized.
We're not seeing all top
Now we
8.
still have to do losers top 8.
No, we're at like top 4th already.
What the fuck?
Damn.
Wait, so
Yeah.
after this is just losers finals?
Yeah.
Those are semis, I think.
Back touch. Ooh.
There's a movement option.
Up Vienna shield with Snake, dude? Never thought about that.
The mix up, bro. Swear to God. Okay.
Broken.
Probably has done a
So
little.
he got the middle spot there, right?
Huh? Yeah.
Okay. I didn't even know there was a middle spot, bro. I swear to God.
Hey, that was just sweet and sour?
Yeah.
Not mild.
The mild spot. Is that what we're gonna call it?
We're gonna call it the mild spot.
Mark doesn't have a middle spot, that's probably why.
Yeah, that's probably why I thought so.
What do you think sounds better?
Oh shit.
Spicy or mild, dude? Man, I think mild. You never know, bro. Spicy.
The sweet and spicy spot? Because spicy also sounds good.
Yeah, but like
That's
spicy sounds like something that like a hitbox that's, you know, it's spicy,
That
dude.
is,
Like,
it's like
sweet.
it's different, but it's like good in other ways.
yeah. But like I've never heard anybody think that like the middle hitbox, dude, is
I would call
up to them.
Kazuya's weak nair a spicy hitbox. Because you can also combo off of it. So like, bro, you just made up a new term, bro. No
Bro, you
cap.
did?
Ah, damn. I still got 3 games.
Alright, bro. I guess Akko wants us to go eat at some restaurant, dude.
Yo, you saw Nikita disable? That was kind of clean.
So what's up?
How you disable Nikita with side B on the quicks? I think he's not in it. What? Alright, today. You're a cheater.
Yeah, bro. This is what I was scared of. Someone watching
Wrap it up.
the other player.
I believe in Ashikabi, low key. Low key.
You just want Akko to lose, bro.
Yeah, no cap, bro. He's a hater.
He has some tricks.
Dude, those tricks are all gone now. We've seen them all.
All of them?
We've seen all of them, bro.
Oh shit.
The up B Nikita, that was literally an up.
Yeah.
Because they're cappers.
What? They're cappers.
See? That's a trick right there, bro. It didn't work.
Movement option.
I'm just saying, Akko's out of mix-ups, bro. No cap. I mean, no shot.
Ashikabi's out of trap.
Oh shit.
You guys, dude, I tried to hit that 3 times already.
Alright, bro.
That
Maybe it's time
so
to go
good
back to
for
the
no
basics,
reason.
bro. If nothing's working, you gotta go back to the basics. You know, a little bit of fighting, bro. A little infighting.
You see?
Oh my god. Here's the thing with Snake, bro. I thought there was like only one grenade that was right there, but there were 2 of them. Like, where'd the other one come from, bro? Fuck Snake,
Okay.
for real, bro.
That grenade?
The fact that it's frame 1 is just, bruh.
Never.
Yeah, grenade is frame 1.
Bro,
Dude, why is he never down throw?
I know,
Like,
he
down throw-
doesn't like tech chasing, bro.
Maybe he's not good at it.
He prefers edge guarding.
Back throw and Nikita.
you
He can literally
drop throw.
He can literally just down throw and up tilt.
No,
Yeah,
fine.
but-
okay, he's 2% away from it.
I don't
He
think
can pummel.
No,
Now he
yeah, 160 is percent.
160, I thought it was 150.
Yeah, right.
Oh, okay, he does know it then. He does know it.
Well, because some characters you can do down throw up to. I don't know if it works. But like still down throw is still a viable option because it's effective. Literally like down throw is always effective.
Yeah.
Yo, the tricks are coming out, Tech.
Okay.
I was
Never mind.
I was thinking of it.
The bag has been broken.
Just did the Wi-Fi strat, like put 2 grenades up and keep up smashing.
Anybody's watching this?
Everyone's gonna get quad strike.
Who wrong with like tank bomb?
Where is it? Oh.
Who wrong with fucking into the smash, dude? It's like he meant to walk in his life.
Oh shit. Oh no, spot
Not
dodge.
giving the little
Spot dodge cancel down smash. Hey yo.
Oh. Kills? Oh, I hit the fat hits. Hit him with the fat hits, Ashikabi. Stop playing easy. Stop going easy on him, dude. I think he needs
Oh
to go
wait,
up now.
wait. Nah, it's over. Look.
Nah, bro,
already
he's going
80.
easy on him.
Oh my god. Yeah.
He's literally going easy on him. He's like, I want to play a little bit more Smash, so he's going losers.
Shut up.
That's what he's thinking inside his head.
Shut up.
He's like, I
bro.
paid money for this? I'm getting all my games, dude. Yo, Yaddle's here?